Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to solve the exercise of lesson number 13, that is soil. Yes or no students? So I hope you understood all the lesson properly. So before writing these exercise answers, one more time you read the lesson properly and then go for the exercise. Let us see now first question, objective type question is there student. So what is the question? Underline the correct words to complete the sentences. So here some sentences are given and in bracket two options are given. So which one is the correct option? That option you have to underline. So now I will read the sentence first. Dash is dark, soft and rich in nutrient. So what is soft and dark? So humus or sand? So answer is humus. Humus is dark, soft and rich in nutrients. Second question, soil is the removal of fertile soil by the action of water and wind. That is called conservation or erosion. So soil erosion is the removal of fertile soil. So answer is soil erosion. Okay students, so underline the soil erosion. Next, dash is the method where in farming is done on a unique step like a structure. No tilling or terracing. So answer is terracing. Next, dash is done to prevent the depletion of nutrients. Dash is done to prevent the depletion. Depletion is decrease. So what is done? Deforestation or crop rotation. So crop rotation is done to prevent the depletion of nutrients. So you can underline crop rotation. Okay student. Next, adding water to dash makes it stick and smooth to touch. Which soil? Silt or clay soil? Okay students. Adding water to dash makes sticks and smooth to touch. Actually, the answer is clay soil students. Okay, clay soil you can write. Adding water to dash makes stick. Okay students. Next, match the following. Match the following. First question. Here, horizon. Now what is the horizon? Now fourth option you can see here. Horizons means layers. While teaching only I explain to you that horizons means layers. So here you can see layer is the option. So here you can write option number 4. Humus. What is the humus? So read here. Humus is what? Humus is decaying organic matter. So you can write here option number 6. Humus is decaying organic matter. Tilling. What is tilling? Tilling is plowing. Okay, plowing means tilling. Next, sand. Sand is what student? Sand cannot hold water and nutrients. Yes, very good. Then option number 3 you can write here. Loam. Loam is what? Loam is holds moisture, allows good drainage, or it holds the water for a long time. Then bedrock. Bedrock is what student? Bedrock is unweathered rock layer. So option number 5 you can write. Okay student? So this way you can solve the match the following. Okay? Now we will go to the next question. So you can take these answers students. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Next question is what? Circle the odd one. Here the question is circle the odd one. Can you see here question? This is the question. You have to make circle, otherwise you can tick. Topsoil, subsoil, silt. Now here which one is odd one? Topsoil and subsoil, these are the layers of soil. So who is odd here? Silt. So you can make the circle to silt. Okay. Deforestation, afforestation, crop rotation. Now what is this? Yes, afforestation and crop rotation prevent or conservation of soil. Yes or no? And this deforestation causes the soil erosion. So here you can think or you can make the circle. Loam, bedrock, subsoil. Now what is this? Which one is the odd one? Bedrock and subsoil, these are the layers of soil. So here loam is the type of soil. So here you can make the circle. Okay. So this is the answer of this odd one type question. Now here next question, what is being referred to and answered in one word. Now this question is you have to write one word for each sentence. First question. It is caused by the action of water and air on soil. So what is caused? By wind and water or by the action of wind and water? Yeah, that is called the soil erosion. So you can write soil erosion there. Next, without them, organic material required by plants want to be available. That is called the human. Without them, organic material required by plants would not be available. That is called the would not be available. That is called the humans. Next, type of soil that gets very heavy and sticky when wet. Here. Type of soil that gets very heavy and sticky when wet. That is called the clay soil. Method where a series of different crops are planted one after the other in the same area. That is called the crop rotation. Method where farming is done on unique step like structure and the force of water running gets slowed down. That is called the terracing. Is it clear, student? So these are the answers. You note down. We will go to the next question. Next question is subjective type question, students. Answer the following questions. These answer the following questions. You can write as a home because all these questions answer I will send with PDF. Okay. So you can copy afterwards. So we will go to the next question. Multiple choice question. The uppermost layer of soil is called subsoil, topsoil, or silt. So uppermost layer is called topsoil. Type of soil that is ideal for growing plant. So which soil is good for the growing plant? Sandy soil, loamy soil, or clay soil? So loam soil or loamy soil. Soil conservation does not include preventing soil contamination, preventing the overuse of soil, felling trees for wood. So option second. Which of the following is not true about sandy soil? Not good for growing plants, holds moisture and rich in nutrients, or cannot hold nutrients. So option second is not correct. Hold moisture and rich in nutrients. Okay, students. So this is about our exercise of lesson number 13, students. So we have completed this exercise. Answer the following questions. I will send with PDF that you copy in your notebook properly. Okay, students. So we will stop here. Next video we will start our new lesson.